Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 5. We have Ryan Preece's 2023 Next Gen car. Well, his Haas Automation 2023 car. On the back, you can get Todd Gilliland, Christopher Bell, Austin Cindric, and Jimmy Johnson's 84 Carvana car. And look out for his Carvana chase piece. Let's get Ryan Preece out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which is the side version of Ryan Preece's car, which you got the number 41, HaasTooling.com, along with the little spark plug. His last name, Preece. And that's pretty much it of the sticker. So let's take a look at the car. So in the 2023 season, Cole Custer went back to the Xfinity Series, and Ryan Preece, stepped in after he did not have a ride for 2022, took in the 41 car. So in this car, usually when Cole Custer came in, he did drive a red and black car, but then switched to a more of a gray or a silver car. So in 2023, Stewart-Haas went back to their red, black, and white Haas car. Obviously, kind of like what they did back then. And obviously, when Daniel Suarez and Kurt Busch drove the 41 car, it was red. So here you have the simple number 41, also with the Haas logo that still remains the same, except now it's back to the white with the red hood. And I'm sorry if you just heard that. It's just I don't know, maybe something. I don't know. Anyway, on the side of the car, you got red, you got some black, and you got white. You got HaasTooling.com, obviously the HaasTooling.com spark plug logo. You also got some mini sponsors on the side like Haas, United Rentals, a new sponsor that came into Stewart-Haas Racing that did sponsor Ryan Preece pretty well in his career. Sony. And on the top of the car, you got United Rentals on the hood and, of course, on the trunk. And on the back, you got HaasTooling.com, and along with a little spark plug on the side. Mini Mobile 1, the 41. On the other side, it's pretty much the same. It's just a pretty good car, and I do like that the 41 car is back to the red, black, and white kind of car instead of the silver one. Actually, after taking a good look at it, so I'll give you a nice 360 view of the car. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.